So this is the first stage of our process. So we mix the sawdust, some wheat bran, a bit of calcium into the process and water then.
And so it is a beginning of the process of substrate
Of shiitake and lion's mane. Yeah. Compressors are back with the sawdust. My younger brother, we could do 7,000 logs per day. So this is the clean room. The logs come out there, it's all over pressure to come out onto these racks and then into incubation room. This is production now is 110 days.
How much kilo?
2.5 kilos, between 2.2 and 2.5 kilo.
How much mushroom will give?
We probably end up with about 25%. This is my mother. This is how we do the mixes. Okay, it's only the retail mixes. So, Biabini, it's a final weight on the bunnets to make up the weight to say, this is just a starter filling the growing room. This is my lion's mane nursery, okay, where we bring them in with high humidity to start them to pin to grow. Probably in 2 or 3 days we'll be moved to a growing room then to carry on growing.